Hello and welcome to the conference organized by Electrical Mirror. So, ma'am, can you please tell me about your company? What do you deal in? How it is promoting digitalization in electrical?
So, hi, my name is Isha Agarwal, and we are representing Newcock Products Private Limited. We are based out of Gurgaon. Our plants are at Bhiwadi, and we are more than a 30-year-old company. We manufacture cork, rubber product, gaskets, anti-vibration pads, press boards, and many other things such as inflatable items, air cell, air caster cushions. So, as far as digitization is concerned, like you also, everyone knows that how our prime minister is promoting digitization a lot, and definitely digitization is the need of the hour. Given that the transformer and T&D sector is growing at a fast pace, digitization is the need so that the multiple challenges that we are facing currently in the sector, they can be tackled in a better and an efficient way, because resilience is the key. And if we do not change as per the changing times, it would be really difficult for the sector to grow, given as per the estimates of IMF, World Bank, right, Indian economy is expected to grow at a rate of 8% per CAGR, and the electricity T&D sector would grow even at a faster pace. Given that need and the desire, so digitization would help to solve various issues that can help to counter the problems that the sector is facing.
Very well answered. Now, if I may ask, like if I would like you to explain digitalization in a very layman terms to our audience, so how would you do that?
So, if we need to explain digitization in a very layman term, I would say, starting with the very basic and rudimentary example, I would say initially, you used to send text messages, SMSs, which probably reached in a few hours. You had STD callers instead of the landlines. Later on, landlines converted into mobile phones. You had the internet coming in. You had the Google coming in 2004. All of this was revolutionary. What is this? This is just digitization, right? So, similarly, digitization is nothing. It just helps you make your work easier and faster, which will obviously save a lot of time, effort, and resources.
Okay, now if I may ask, what do you think is going to be the possible future of digitalization in electrical field?
So I feel in terms of digitization in the electrical field, we have transformers, right? So in transformers also you're seeing a lot of innovation that is happening. Innovation in aspects of digitization, wherein you see you can, easily control and predict the expected changes that could happen, the maybe some sort of incident that is going to happen, you can predict in a better way, which helps you to just counter the negative impact that it may have and reduce the impact of it.